Let's make some McChicken sandwich in the air fryer. I've got about 300 grams of chicken mince here, keema, some salt, mixed dried herbs, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, white pepper, paprika. This is ginger, garlic, and a bit of pepper chopped together. I just added, you don't have to add it if you don't want to, but I just like it, so I'm gonna add it. Mix everything. You need breadcrumbs. I'm using these breadcrumbs. These are called golden breadcrumbs, and you can easily find them. Add garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, mixed dried herbs, paprika, and mix everything. Now take some mixture and coat it in the breadcrumbs. So I got 5 big patties out of that 300 grams chicken keema. Now take your air fryer basket. I want to make only 2 for myself. So I'm gonna place the chicken patties in there. Now oil spray them generously. Now these are gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 13 minutes until they're golden and crispy. It's been 10 minutes and this is how they look. So I'm just gonna flip these, oil spray them again, and put these back in the air fryer for maybe 5 more minutes. For the burgers, I'm gonna use these buns. I still have 2 minutes to go for the burgers to be done, so I'm gonna just add the buns in there as well so they can be toasted together with the chicken. These are ready.